Rational function. A rational function is a function that is a fraction and has the property that both its numerator and denominator are polynomials. It is written in the form r of x is equal to p of x over q of x, where q of x is not equal to 0. F of x is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 2, where the domain is equal to x is all element of real numbers such that x is not equal to negative 2, and the range where y is all elements of real numbers and y is not equal to 1. In getting the y-intercept, we have f of 0 is equal to negative 2 over 2 is equal to negative 1, giving us 0, negative 1. In getting the x-intercept, we have x minus 2 is equal to 0, where x is equal to 2, giving us 2 and 0. The zeros of the rational function is 2. The vertical asymptote is x is equal to negative 2, and the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 1. Now let's sketch the graph. The next rational function is f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 15 over x squared minus 2x minus 3. Factoring out, we have x minus 5 times x plus 3 over x plus 1 times x minus 3. Getting the domain, we have x is an element of all real numbers where x is not equal to negative 1 and x is not equal to 3. While getting the range, we have y is an element of all real numbers where y is not equal to 1. In getting the y-intercept, we have f of 0 is equal to negative 15 over negative 3 is equal to 5, giving us 0, 5. In getting the x-intercepts, we have to set the numerator to 0, where x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 3, giving us negative 3, 0. On the other hand, x minus 5 is equal to 0, where x is equal to 5, giving us 5, 0. The zeros of the rational functions are negative 3 and 5. Vertical asymptotes are x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 3. The horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 1. Now let's sketch the graph.
Created using Powtoon.